Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. Ventoy is a free and open source tool that lets you create a multi-boot USB drive. Instead of flashing ISO files one at a time, Ventoy lets you copy and paste multiple ISOs onto a single USB drive. This makes it perfect for installing Windows, testing Linux, or repairing computers. I personally use it for Proxmox installs and rescue tools. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to install Ventoy on Windows 10. By the end of this video, you'll know how to download and install Ventoy correctly, format your USB drive for best performance, and which drives and ports are recommended for fastest read and write speeds. For a complete written guide, check the link in the description. It includes step-by-step instructions, recommended drives, and USB port tips. Let's start by downloading Ventoy. Open Google Chrome and go to ventoy.net. Click the Downloads tab. Scroll to the Windows section and download the Ventoy Windows zip file. Once downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and extract the zip. Open the folder and locate Ventoy to disk.exe, then double-click to run. Make sure your USB stick is plugged in. I'm using a Kingston Data Traveler USB 3.0. Before installation, we need to format the USB drive correctly. Open Disk Management and check the drive you want to use. If your drive already has multiple partitions, we need a full clean reformat. Sometimes Disk Management won't let you delete all partitions. We will need to use the DiskPart utility to format this drive properly. Open Start, type CMD, and run as administrator. Type DiskPart, hit enter, type list disk, enter. Be very careful during this process and make sure you have confirmed and identified the correct disk and disk number you want to format. You could accidentally delete the wrong disk drive and lose important files, even your operating system. The disk I want to format is disk 6, so I will type select disk 6, enter, type clean, enter. You can close these windows, locate disk 6 in Disk Management, right click, select New Simple Volume. The New Simple Volume wizard is now open. Click Next, assign a drive letter. I will leave mine as is. Click Next. Format this volume with the following settings. File system should be FAT32. Allocation unit size should be default. Enter the name of the volume label you want to use. I will leave mine as is. Leave Perform a Quick Format checked. Click Next. Click Finished. Now your drive is completely clean and ready for Ventoy. Go back to Ventoy to disk.exe. Select your USB drive and click Install. You'll get a warning. All data will be lost. Confirm by clicking Yes. Ventoy will write the bootloader and create the necessary partitions. Once done, verify in Disk Management. You'll see two partitions, one for Ventoy and one for boot files. Open your Ventoy USB drive in File Explorer. Copy ISO files, for example, Windows 10, Windows 11, Ubuntu 25.1, directly onto the drive. Large ISOs may take longer on older USB sticks. For faster transfers, consider using an NVMe external drive. All 3 ISO files have been copied over to Ventoy now. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS. Hit the Delete, F2, or F11 keys to enter the BIOS. Move your Ventoy USB drive to the top of the boot priority list, or change the boot priority in the BIOS. Then save and exit. You'll see the Ventoy boot menu with all your ISOs listed. Let's test Ubuntu first. Boot into normal mode. We have successfully booted the Ubuntu ISO. Let's test Windows 10 now. We have successfully booted into the Windows 10 installation. Let's test Windows 11. We have successfully booted into the Windows 11 installation. For the fastest results, use USB 3.0, 3.1, 3.2, or Type-C ports. Use high-quality drives like Kingston, SanDisk, or Samsung. Avoid older or slower USB sticks for larger ISOs. Don't miss my next video. I'll cover the best drives for Ventoy and how to maximize speed and which USB ports can boost or bottleneck performance. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment which tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Ventoy multi-boot USB drive.